Hey guys! Welcome to my channel! Welcome back sa mga subscribers! Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming breakfast for today na napakasarap! Loaded with blueberries! Fresh blueberries guys! So ito guys ay blueberry muffin batter. Pero, hindi ko siya lulutuin sa oven. Dito ko siya lulutuin sa waffle maker. Okay? Napaka-exciting, super sarap. Ayan. So, ganyan yung waffle maker. Pinainit ko na yan kanina pa. So, super init na yan. So, mag-i-scoop lang tayo ng ating blueberry muffin batter. Tapos, ilalagay natin dito sa ating waffle maker. Pero, kailangan hindi masyadong punuin yung ating waffle maker kasi mag-explode or not explode, o overflow yung ating batter. Yan. So, tapos niyan, tatakpan. Tapos, pag nag-signal na tawag dito, ready na siya. Then, yun. Siguro mga lang guys, napakadaling lutuin dito guys kaysa oven. In 2 minutes, pwede na siya, luto na. Kung gusto niyo na mas brown or crispy, then gawing 3 minutes or more. Diba? Depende sa inyo. Let's check guys kung okay na ba. Ouch! Init ng aso niya. Usok. Aso. Saya guys. Ayan! Ang ganda! So, hanguin na natin yan. Kasi nag-brown na siya, ibig sabihin na ito.
What are you doing? Just get out! Just get out! No! No! No!
Yay!
Waffle! Yay!
Waffle! Blueberry waffle!
It's over!
No! It's not a waffle but guys, waffle.
It's a waffle!
Yeah, it's cooked in waffle, but the batter is not waffle. It's how do you call that? Blueberry waffle. Blueberry waffle. Blueberry mixture.
I want it all to myself.
You want it all to yourself?
Yeah.
You'll get one big waffle. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Get away.
But I need to make it.
You're too hungry? Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna give you a plate, okay?
I made a little bit today.
So, ito guys, haplasan natin ng butter. Mas masarap siya haplasan ng butter. Or margarine, kung meron kayo. Yung palang ginagamit ko na guys, blueberry. Fresh blueberries yun guys, okay? Hindi yung yung dilata. Bihira kasing dilata dito sa sa Canada kasi maraming blueberries dito sa sa bukid. So ganyan lang guys. Butter at saka maple syrup. Maple syrup, ubos na. Hindi ko nakabili lo. Tutulog pa kaya to. Wala na yata. Ay naku, hayaan mo na. Maple syrup. So, ayan siya guys. Ang ganda guys. Grabe. Sarap nito as in.
The Bible says when this